Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The UK Ministry of Defence revealed that the wreckage of F-35B fighter, which crashed into the Mediterranean Sea shortly after taking off from the Royal Navy aircraft carrier, has been recovered successfully. The aircraft carrier from which the F-35B took off is HMS Queen Elizabeth. Even though the pilot ejected safely and was rescued back, the senior leaders were deeply worried about the fighter's stealth technology and other sensitive data stored in it. Their main aim was to recover the parts and the remaining of the aircrafts which were lying deep inside the sea. Until the wreckage was collected from the seabed, it is said that the Royal Navy and the Allies have been patrolling the eastern Mediterranean near the accident spot where the $133 million jet crashed. After so much effort, we know that the wreckage has been recovered and there is no threat or compromise to the critical equipment on the aircraft. It took 2 weeks to retrieve the wreckage on the seafloor and another week to properly bring it to the surface. To lead the search and recovery mission, the United States Navy dispatched a specialist deep salvage ship from its 6th Fleet HQ in Rota, Spain. Now that the wreckage of the aircraft has been recovered, the UK investigators may be fully able to determine the root cause behind this particular crash. The remains of the aircraft are now at least secure and do not now pose any security risk. If we quickly see the root cause behind this particular crash, it is said that the British F-35B accident happened due to a rain cover getting sucked into the engine. It's very vital to remove the covers and the engine blanks before the flight takes off. Not sure how such visual checks of the actual removal of the air intake covers and the safety pins got missed. As per some sources, it is also said that the fighter might have gone into the sea due to low thrust to push the fighter to take off from the aircraft carrier. So that was a quick video and a small update regarding the successful recovery of British F-35B wreckage from the Mediterranean Sea and the root cause behind this particular crash. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.